Good morning guys, in front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 8S Pro, and let me show you how to block a number. At first, open your phone dialer, click on More icon then, and mark Settings. Here you will notice block numbers, and you can either block all unknown colors if you want to, by using this indicator, or you can add some number manually by yourself, just mark Add a Number, and here Provide it. You can also pick something from a contact list by tapping on the right edge of this panel over here and click on Block. So this is it. Whenever you wish to remove the blockade, just mark the cross icon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.